Hello and welcome to Crocheting in Style Studio. Thank you for stopping by. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to crochet that handbag you've just seen in the thumbnail. So we need the following. We need measuring tape for taking measurements, and we need a pair of scissors. We need a stitch marker, an improvised stitch marker. We need 3 different types of sizes of crochet hook. I'll be using a 4.0, 4.5 and 5 mm for making the straps, the bag straps. So let's get started. For yarn, I'll be using these 2 different colors of yarn. This is a variegated yarn and it's from Butterfly Company. It's a chunky yarn. It's a 4-ply yarn. It's 100% acrylic. It's machine washable too. This is Winterking. It's a fingering yarn and I'll be doubling my strands to achieve the same size with this, and we are going to use this for making the base of our bag. I'm just going to show a demo, but for the one I've made, the height is 28 centimeters and the width is 12 centimeters. Yeah, but for the demo I'm not going to make so many chains, so we are going to start with a 4.0 millimeter hook and make some chains. Just for demonstration, I'm going to make only 10 chains. So you'll start by making a slip knot. You start by making a slip knot, then you are going to chain 10. After making our 10 chains, we are going to make a single crochet stitch in the second chain. Each chain is going to get a single crochet stitch, and by the end you will be having 9 single crochet stitches. Repeat the process until it reaches to your required height, the height that you need. I decided to change the number of chains, so I changed to 5 because I want it to be somehow quick, because it's just a demonstration. But I know if you follow this keenly, you can make any size of bag you may need. Let's assume this is the height we need. So we are going to chain 1, and into this space here, we are going to place 2 single crochet stitches. In each corner we'll be placing 2 single crochet stitches, and each row is going to get a single crochet stitch. About to reach the second corner, so here we are going to place 2 single crochet stitches, and then we continue. Let's meet here. You are going to slip stitch here in the first single crochet stitch, but we are going to drop this yarn, or cut the yarn. And then now, using this other color of yarn, we change a crochet hook to a 4.5. So each stitch is going to get a single crochet stitch, but back loop only. Back loop, single crochet stitch. And here is where our stitch marker is going to be used. We'll be working in rounds, so we need a stitch marker we are no longer going to make slip stitches. So single crochet back loop only this one row. So let's meet in the stitch marker. This is what we have. Into our last stitch, make a single crochet back loop only, remove the stitch marker, no making slip stitch. So you place a single crochet stitch and you put the stitch marker, but this round and the others will be grabbing both loops, so we are not going to do the back loop thing. So this second row is a repetition. This is what you'll be doing until your work, or until it reaches to the height you want. So repeat the same process until your work has the height that you may need. So this is my height, and you see what I've done here. This is this corner. So on top here we are going to fold it like that, and now with our stitch marker we are going to mark this point just as you are seeing in the screen, on the screen. Yeah. And then you are going to do the same in this other side. So the next step is making the strap. For the strap, I'm using a 5.0 millimeter. You can see 5.0. So I'm going to start by making a slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Into the second stitch, you're going to make a single crochet stitch. So each chain is going to get a single crochet stitch, and by the end you should be having 7 single crochet stitches. We are almost there with our 8 single crochet 7, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into our row 2, you're going to chain 1, and each stitch is going to get a single crochet stitch. You will repeat the same process until the straps have the height that you need. For me, this one is 66 centimeters. There, 66 centimeters. This is the patch that is going to hold the zipper. Like that. So let me show you how to make it. We are going to start by chaining 32. Make a slip knot and make 32 chains. Add one more chain, and into the second chain we are going to make a single crochet stitch. So each chains are going to get one single crochet stitch, and by the end you should be having 32 single crochet stitches. to our second row, and that's our last row. Chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet stitch in each stitch. Also, by the end you should be having 32 single crochet stitches. To our last stitch, place your last single crochet stitch there, chain 1, and with a pair of scissors you're going to chop off the yarn. So the two pieces are ready. Then this is going to be here in between. Our bag is now ready. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching to the end. And kindly please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to do so. Bye and see you in my next video.